Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of Slingshot. Slingshot is an app that was developed by Venkata Ramana and is actually an app that lets you slingshot any link of your choice in front of millions of visitors, and not just ordinary visitors but buyers, untapped source of buyers. Yes, this is what Venkata is saying today about Slingshot. So, guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details in a minute, and we'll also give you a demo of how this app truly works. But do not forget to click the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I've also added some of my bonuses today. Yeah, this is an app that drives traffic for you. It helps you get traffic, and I'm also adding bonuses that will boost your buyers, and also for list building and all of that. Just in a minute, I'm going to show you what my bonuses shall do for you. All right, let me take you to the source page. Let's see what Venkata has said today. So it says press 2 buttons to steal free traffic from this pool of 122 million hungry rabid buyers within 29 seconds. And these are the features of this app. So it says the traffic loves to turn into sales and commissions. Set it up once and forget about it. Even complete beginners can get free traffic. Finally have your breakthrough. Get all the traffic you need to crush it in 2021. And then you have 180-day money back guarantee, guys. So this offer is good. So with 180-day money back guarantee, if you couldn't find or if you couldn't achieve all that he has promised about this app, you can be refunded, no questions asked, and you have 180 days to get that done. Right, guys, and I have shown you the features. Let me quickly take you guys to, and this is Venkata right here. This is Venkata, and location from Peru. Yep. All right, guys, let me quickly take you guys to the bonuses, and then I shall show you the ones that I have also added. But before we get to the bonuses, these right here are actually screenshots, profits from people that are using this app, what they have made so far using the app. All right, and then it says okay, these are the like I mentioned earlier, some of the features also that you will find in this app. So it says that you are receiving everything you need to get traffic with Slingshot. So basically you have the Slingshot web app, and then you have 2-click traffic Slingshot technology, you have the training tutorials, you have the support team. Now let's take a look at the bonuses that he has added. So the first one that he added is the Slingshot send. Then you get the second one is the Slingshot drive. The third one is the Slingshot host, and then of course the fourth one, the funnels. So he has added 4 of his bonuses today, guys. Now let me take you to mine and show you what I am sharing with you guys today. So the first one that I added is the a hack and access to Nova. And remember, guys, this is just for the first 12 hours only. Yep. And so you have access to Nova and all the upsells. Then the second bonus that I'm adding is access to Jono's award-winning YouTube ads course. So you get a course that will teach you about everything you need to know about YouTube ads. So guys, this offer right here, this bonus that I've added here, guys, remember the product you are buying is for traffic, right? Now with the YouTube ads, guys, you get the traffic, you get the list, and then you push your products via YouTube. And then what do you think will happen? Loads of commissions, right? Yeah, I thought so. Now, the third bonus that I've added is the build your buyers list while profiting. You see, guys, I've packaged this whole thing together well for you. You get the traffic, you get a hack that will teach you how you can build your list, and also YouTube ads tutorial by Jonah. And then of course we have the fourth one is the content curation hack, and then the fifth one is all vendor bonuses. So you have access to all the vendor bonuses, guys. Basically with the bonuses that I've added, then it is packed. Like, as you can see here, you get YouTube ads tutorial, you get a hack on how you can build your list. Of course, the product is for traffic, everything you need, guys. This offer here is loaded, I will say. And remember as well that you have 3 days before my offer runs out. So these bonuses that I'm giving today, after this timer runs out, guys, you probably will not have access to all the bonuses that I've shown you, the 5 bonuses that I'm offering today. So my 5 bonuses applies only to those that will purchase within this time frame right here. And if you sign in through Warrior Plus, guys, to access my bonuses, click on the blue button that says access affiliate bonus. My bonuses shall be added. And then if it's through JVZoo, right down there where the red arrow is pointed at, guys, click on the box, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. Now I've shown you the bonuses. Let me take you to the prices, guys. So about the front end is $17. Of course, you have access to the software and the training models. Upsell 1 is the unlimited, is $39. So you create unlimited campaigns. And then with the upsell 2 is done for you. So basically, everything here will be done for you. And then the upsell 3 is a Slingshot 1K dollars per payday, and it's $197. So it says now that you have Slingshot, you have all the traffic you need, plenty of it, but how do you turn it into money? So with the monetization upgrade, this problem is solved, right? And then the upsell 4 is the automation is $39. As the name implies, everything will be set up and automated for you. So you make the traffic runs on autopilot. And then the fifth one, which is the Slingshot limitless traffic, is $197. Of course, this will also be done for you. And then the upsell 6, which is the reseller right, is also $197. So you get to sell Slingshot and keep commissions on the entire funnel. And like I mentioned, here are the bonus, the benefits that you will be getting by using this app, like I have discussed earlier. All right, guys, we have seen the features, we have seen what the app can do somehow, but in a minute I'm going to take you to the members area so you will see how that platform looks like really. And also I've shown you guys the bonuses, I have shown you guys the prices, and then the upsells now. And I also have shown you how you can access your bonuses if you're purchasing through my link that is in the description box below. Now let me take you to the members area. So once you sign in from here, the right hand side, what you will now see, this is actually the dashboard right here. So you can see the premium training. You on the left hand side, and then you see the search videos, saved videos, website builder, upgrade, support, and log out. So with all these videos right here, like the training and all that, remember guys, one of my bonuses is YouTube ads. So basically this will work together with that bonus that I've added, guys, because you get to learn how you can set up your YouTube ads, and also, of course, YouTube is basically videos, so which means you'll be an expert on as far as that one is concerned. Now, let's take a listen to the premium training. Take a listen to what Venkata has to say.
Hey there, friend. Do you feel like you're struggling with traffic and conversions lately? Do you wish it was easier to bring in visitors to your website, even if you're not an expert? Then let me introduce you to Slingshot, the only app that will put any link in front of 122 million buyers with just 2 clicks in a matter of seconds. How is it possible? Well, Slingshot does this by exploiting well-known traffic sources like YouTube for hot buyer traffic. Curious to see how it works? Then let me show it to you in action. To tap into any of these traffic sources, Slingshot provides you with a powerful search engine that scrapes only high-traffic videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. All you have to do is enter your target keyword, select your high-traffic video source, set the number of videos you want to get, and start your search. As you can see here, Slingshot will show you the highest ranking videos targeting your keyword. There's plenty you can do to generate traffic with these videos, but Slingshot helps you find new traffic generation opportunities and take advantage of some of these videos in 2 ways. First, you can identify videos with expired links to products and offers in their descriptions. You can purchase those expired link domains with your favorite domain registrar and forward the traffic the domain is getting to your own website. This way you can redirect all traffic from that video to your own products and offers. The second way is by identifying videos with no links in their descriptions. You can get in touch with the creators of these videos and offer them to partner up so they add your links into their descriptions. This is another awesome way to drive quality traffic to any link. What's more, you can build a one-click high-traffic WordPress website with the Slingshot theme, a nice attention-grabbing theme that's designed to keep your visitors engaged, and the Slingshot plugin, a plug-and-play plugin that'll let you publish high-traffic content to your site in seconds. Installing the Slingshot plugin gives you instant access to the video poster, which lets you create high-traffic posts using YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. Using this powerful tool is very easy, and all you have to do is select your preferred video streaming platform, enter a keyword, select your search criteria, set the number of videos you want to show in the results, and fetch your videos. Let me show you how it works by creating a quick post with YouTube. First, I simply have to enter a keyword here. I can also add a channel ID here. This will help you in case you want to scrape videos from a popular channel in your niche. Then I have to select the number of videos I want to retrieve in the results. Alternatively, I can simply enter a series of video codes to directly fetch and use those videos. In this case, I will simply click here to fetch my videos. And there we go. I can now select which videos I want to turn into high traffic, highly engaging posts for my website. And
so guys, that's a brief video from Venkata about the premium training. So basically that's what it is, guys. It's not that complicated looking at what I am seeing right here from the members area. So basically everything is just on the left hand side. If you have questions, inquiries, click on the support and then send your tickets and someone will respond and help you out. So guys, that's all I have to say today. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, for watching my videos, for sharing, for liking, and also for purchasing through my link. And also, if you know someone that does product will be of help to, guys, do not forget to share. And I will see you guys in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.